aftermarket, 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 custom, aftermarket, 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 okay, this is getting old. What's going on, guys? My name is Cameron. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you much for joining me today for this short little video that we're gonna make. Now, I know a lot of you guys have a car like mine and you want to do some modifications to it, and I have been doing this for 5 years now. I've gone through like 5 sets of headlights, and I'm about done and ready to change these ones up again. I have a real problem, but I've learned a thing or two over the past 5 years that I've been working on this car, and I've learned what to get and what not to get, and things that make the most difference when working on one of these. And today I'd like to share that with you. I'd like to share my top 5 favorite modifications that I have done to this car, and we're just gonna jump right in, start with number 1. Now, the first one that I'd like to share, it's kind of a group together. It's the front end kit that you can get from American Muscle with my own twist. Of course, you're gonna need the Mach 1 Grill Delete. I absolutely despise the stock grille that comes in these cars. This was one of the biggest changes that I was able to make to this car to really freshen up the front end. The next one is the Magic Drift front lip. It's more aggressive, it sticks out farther, it's a lot different than the Mach 1 front lip. And I absolutely love it. Pair it with a nice set of splitter rods, even if they're just not functional, they look nice. It really changed the front, and that's one of the biggest things that I get questioned about, is the front lip and what I've done to the front end. So we're gonna mark that as number 1. We're gonna move on to number 2. My garage is really small. I am sitting in the buggy. But number 2, hi foot, is a nice set of wheels. Now, the biggest change, of course, to a car is wheels. From stock to modified, anything that you can do wheel-wise will make a massive difference. It also allows for better performance and better stances as well, if you get the right kind of thing. I'm running an 18x8 all around on some American racing wheels that I paid $250 for off KSL, which is probably the best deal that I've been able to find for wheels. So that's number 2. Get yourself a nice set of wheels and tires. Huge difference. Would recommend. Number 3 also has to do with the same area. It's your suspension setup. These cars are monster trucks from the factory. Lower them. Get them sitting lower than stock. You don't have to go as low as I do, or I did, but drop them a little bit at least. Get a nice set of lowering springs. It'll severely change the way it drives and the look and the stance. Lower it. Number 4 is your exhaust. You drive this car. Everything appearance-wise always makes it look nicer, but you don't see your appearance mods unless you're out of the car. You can hear your exhaust every time you start the car, every time you go to drive it, and every time you get on the gas. It's something that you get to enjoy, and the people around you get to enjoy as well, I guess, if that kind of makes sense. I have a MagnaFlow True Dual, that's the word I'm looking for, on my car. It's a V6 car, if you guys know. It comes out on this side and then just dumps straight down on a single exhaust. I have dual exhaust and a GT bumper. A huge change. I really enjoy it, and it makes the car deeper tone, so not everyone knows it's V60. If you know that sound, it's really raspy, really gross. It just makes it a lot better. GT, any V6, Mach 1 guys, exhaust. That's the next best thing you can do. And for number 5, it has to do with your key. Now, this car's in 2004. This is the last generation. Dang it. That's important. That was an important phone call for a later video. Anyways, like I was saying, 2004 car. They didn't come with a lot of creature comforts, if you could say that. They didn't come with heated seats. They didn't come with Bluetooth. They didn't come with anything really except for power steering. All plastic interior. It's a very bare minimum car. And this is one of my favorite things that I've ever done to this car. No one's sitting in the driver's seat. Take the key, takes a second. I put remote start in this car. We're gonna go, hit the key again, same button. And just like that, the car's off. Now, I absolutely love this little guy. It's a CompuStar FMX remote start system that I had put in. If you guys know, this is an automatic car. It will work for GT cars if you get a neutral safety switch put in. But this one controls the trunk, which mine didn't work on my original key. Remote start, lock and unlock. Hit it again. The horn goes off. But this has a lot of fancy features to it. It's got Valet Mode, which will allow the key to be taken out of the car. It's got, let's actually start this back up again. So it's locked. Let it do its thing. Unlock it there, let's get inside. Shows that it started up now. A lot of safety things here. If you leave your car unlocked and they go to change gears, hit the brake and the car shuts off. It's a huge safety thing that I absolutely love on this car. I drive this every single day in the winter, and this completely changed the way I drive this car because it's actually warm when I go outside when it's 12 degrees. It's freaking amazing. The other thing I absolutely love about this, I'm sorry it's kind of windy now, we're outside and it's not the greatest of weather, is the range that this thing has. I'm just going for a little stroll now. Car's all the way over there. And I just want to show you how far this is able to activate. On the package, it claimed 3,000 feet. It's true, it is about 3,000 feet. I'm able to sit inside at my work in a building and start it when it's parked at the very back of the parking lot. I'm serious, this is the best mod that I've ever done to this car. All right, house is all the way over there. Key. One beep. I just heard it. Wait for the key to go off. And there you go. The car's been started from that far away. Plastic. It's so great. If you're daily driving your car at all, hot, cold, whatever it is, give yourself some creature comforts. This, like I said, any appearance mods are for the people that are driving past your car. Any people at the car show. You get to enjoy it when you're out of the car, but not when you're in it. The greatest mods that I have done to this car are mods for me. The exhaust, the interior seating position, the seat, the harnesses, any of the suspension work. Yeah, you see it on the outside, but it's stuff that you drive. And this right here is one that I love more than any of them, and it's one that I use way more than I thought I would. All right, guys, that's number 5. End it off with the key. I really appreciate you guys spending a little time out of your day to come watch these videos with me. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and even turn on the notifications if you'd like to. I have a lot of big things coming for this car, future projects, and really a lot of things coming for the channel, so be sure to stick around. It's gonna get good. My name is Cameron. I appreciate you all spending time with me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. We'll see you in the next one. Oh hey, I forgot to tell you to follow my Instagram. It's on the screen right now, @Camco2313. Would you look at that? It's the same as the YouTube channel name. Also, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. And there's another video as well. Thanks for sticking around, guys. Have a good one.